channel Doon Valley Greens. Today I have an excited announcement to make. I have somebody in house and that person is This is Monika from Bathsutra. She is my supplier, a friend and a soul sister. Yeah. And today she is going to do something for me. Dun, dun, dun. So what is it, Monika?
It's a dehumidifier, the charger, and
Drum rolls. Dun, dun, dun.
Look
Wow! What is this?
it's a
Dehumidifier, a small
a
dehumidifier.
compact one, and it is required as it is raining here.
Today we are going to make bath bomb and our very own Monika will teach us how to make bath bombs.
These are the dry ingredients. It's baking soda, citric acid, SLSA powder, and goat's milk.
powder.
It's a freeze-dried goat's milk powder
What is the difference between freeze-dried goat's milk powder
and spray dry. Spray drying cannot retain the nutritional values of your raw material, like your any kind of milk or your curd powder or your fruits. Freeze drying is an advanced technology. It's expensive, but it retains the actual properties of your raw material.
So when I use this for a drink, it will give me all the calories which are there in the milk.
All the
itself.
benefits of actual goat's milk.
Oh, great. So we are using today freeze-dried goat's milk from Amazon. So, great.
Blue color.
We are going to use Bathsutra's pigments. Yay! So here's the pink fluorescent pink pigment. Okay, do you want to say something about this, Monika?
This is a super concentrated color, so guys, be careful. You need just a little to color a whole batch of bath bombs.
And what else can you use this for?
You can use this in your CP soaps, in your melt and pores, in your lip balm. This is lip safe.
Oh, great. Then multi-purpose, huh? One for all.
Yep.
I said. And then we are going to use for wet ingredients Moksha's almond oil and Polysorbate 80 from Pioneer. So let's go.
We'll come back in a minute. Alright, we have our liquids here. We have our this thing here. We're going to divide this batter into two and then color it in pink and purple. I am mixing these, Aarti.
Achha.
Look at this, guys. Such a beautiful pink. And we're just going to use a tiny bit of this. Little more? Yeah. And some brilliant lavender purple.
Should we keep some whites for...
We can do that for accents.
So we have 3 colors then.
I don't know how to use that. So you have to
I'll show you. I'll teach you something.
that will be
Yay!
perfect.
I'll show the veteran how to use this new haul of us. I got this from Amazon and I see most of the soapers using this. So let's see how this works this time.
Look at this, guys. Just a
Oh, it's so
tiny bit of color.
lovely. Amazing. This is
Was it beautiful?
beautiful. Really nice color. And since we have added polysorbate, so you don't have to worry about it sticking to the bathtub
Or staining your bathtub for that matter. It's going to disperse beautifully.
Great. We have 3 beautiful colors. Here is my
Moon press.
moon press. इसको तो दबाना नहीं पड़ता. You can just plunge it in.
Press it tightly. A little more pink. And then,
Just stop it.
you sure?
Yeah. Put it on the side.
Sure.
Put it. Yes.
Here and
Press. Fingers crossed.
it's not coming out.
And it
did.
Let's try once again.
Once again, I think let's do a little spits of
Loving alcohol.
Look at this, guys. Can you see this? Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Oh my, after all, it's not a waste.
No, definitely not, Aarti.
Oh my, it's pretty here, no?
I love this. So let's do.
My god, this pink is so lovely, Monika.
Thank you.
I'm so lucky to have a supplier like you who does so beautiful artwork. Plus this supplies are awesome. All your supplies are awesome. I have been your friend since the time I have started commercially soaping. Oh, I'm so happy. This is the first time I'm doing a bath bomb and it's coming.
This is my first time working with someone, not working alone in my studio.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We soapers are so loners, right?
No, I know.
We like to be in that little nook of soaping or our soaping corner and just be by ourselves like a mad scientist mixing potions and doing all stupid stuff. And my husband refuses to come on this room. In this
My
room.
husband refused to come here today. He said, what am I going to do there? You going to go with your friend and mix your witches stuff? He simply refused to come here today.
I am sure. What my husband does is, he will say, no, you will make me a pantry boy if I go there. Pick up this, clean that, wipe this. So I am not going to be your helper. You do it by yourself.
Aarti here is a freak. She cleans up like 10 times between the work.
And I like to keep my table clean. It's white. I custom made this
we
table
all-
for me.
We all do cleaning, but not like you. Oh my god, you do it like 10 times. You stop you doing everything and you start cleaning. Oh my god, Aarti.
I think every soaper has a little bit of that OCD in them. And this is my OCD. Why?
So you met your husband there?
No, I met my husband on vacation like you had come for vacation.
Okay.
I met him like that. But apparently I was not married that time, so I said, okay, let's go ahead. As in, within 1 week we decided we'll get married. After meeting, yeah.
Quick. That was pretty quick.
Yeah. And
I'm married for 15 years now. I'm still not sure if I'm married to the right guy.
oh really? Oh my. No, within the first day itself I knew that I'm going to get married to him.
So here is the remaining powder. Look at the doors. गिरे तो इसके ऊपर नहीं है.
Achha. So we are going to see how it fizzes, right?
Go ahead, Aarti.
Ta-da!
Oh my god, look
Oh,
at that.
my so many bubbles and it's just keeping on. See, so much.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how creamy this is. Wow.
The goat smell.
Goat smell.
SLSA.
SLSA. Oh my god. It's
God.
lovely.
It's gonna do wonders to the skin, right?
Yeah.
Ah,
It's lovely.
this is amazing. I just want to sit in my bath. Though I don't have one, but I'll use it as foot bomb. So here is a beautiful bath bomb by Moon Press. I would like to thank Monika. Thank you so much, babes, for coming
Thank
down.
you so much, Aarti, for having me here.
If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel down below and